Hello everyone, welcome to class. This is mathematics with teacher Baz, and we'll be looking at word problems involving percentage. Word problems involving percentage. So the first, we have three subtopics under this. We have three subtopics under this. So we'll be starting with finding remaining percentage. Finding remaining percentage. So let's see what we have in that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this amazing content to others. Number one, if 100 or if 40% of the pupils in a school are boys, what percentage of the pupils are girls? I take it again. If 40% of the pupils in a school are boys, so 40% of the pupils in a school are boys, what percentage of the pupils are girls? Alright, so we have done some word problems. We've done some word problems. Example, the one we did in fractions, we did in algebraic expression, and then we did in simple equation. So we have an idea on how to solve word problems. Word problems. So we also apply the same principles. And one of the principle I always state when solving word problems is that you must always write out what has been given. That's the first thing. You must give a description to what has been given, and then you write out what you are asked to find. You must write a description of what you are given. Okay, for example, this 40% we have here, you must be able to tell someone, oh, 40% stands for this, and see what I am asked to find under word problem. Okay, so let's see. If 40% of the pupils in a school are boys, there's a percentage, so it is not just a number. That means what we are having there is percentage of boys. Percentage of boys is equal to 40%. Percentage of boys equal to 40%. Now, what percentage of the pupils are girls? What are we asked to find? Percentage of girls is what we are asked to find. You see that we are in a different number system. We are not in the normal number. We are now in percentage. Okay. So what do we need here? Now I will make a simple illustration. For example, if you have a class and then total students equal to, maybe you have 60 students in that class, and then you have number of boys, you have boys in that class to be equal to 25, and then the remaining students are girls. Girls, question mark. How do we find number of girls? I'm just making an illustration so that we will understand that percentage is just another number system, which we apply the same principle we apply under numbers to percentage. So how do we get that? How do we get number of girls? It's simple. Girls will be equal to 60 minus 25. That's subtraction. So the same thing we bring to our percentage here. If we have percentage of boys and then we are asked to find percentage of girls. So if we are given total percentage, which we should know total percentage, total percentage is equal to what? Is equal always equal to 100%. Alright, so if our total percentage equal to 100%, then the percentage of girls will be equal to the total percentage, which is 100%, minus the percentage of boys, which is 40%, and that will give us 60%. So we were to find percentage of pupils that are girls. Percentage, not number. Percentage of pupils that are girls. So that's how we find remaining percentage. Lesson number two. A man shared money to his three sons, John, Peter, and Paul, with John getting 35% of the money and Peter got 42% of the money. What percentage of the money did Paul get? So the man shared it among his three sons. He shared it among his three sons. That means the whole money was shared among the three sons. So let's see. We have 35%, we have 42%. So percentage for John Okay, John getting, so percentage for John equal 35%, and then percentage for Peter equals 42%. And what's the next one? Percentage, what percentage did Paul get? So percentage for Paul is what we are looking for, question mark. So how do we get that? We need our total percentage. Percentage total will be equal to 100%. So to get percentage of Paul's share will be equal to the total percentage, which is 100%, minus 35% minus 42%, which that will be equal to 100% minus 35%, that will be 65%, minus 42%, and that will give us what? That will give us 23%. So that means the percentage for Paul is equal to 23%. Percentage for Paul is equal to 23%. So this is how we find remaining percentages. Remaining percentage. All right. So we have activity questions here. It involves finding remaining percentage. So you carefully go through the questions, do them carefully, and then if you have any complaint, have any challenge, you can drop that in the comment section. All right. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do well to like, subscribe, and also share this amazing content to others. See you in our next class. Thank you.